How to create new audiences on Mailchimp. I'm going to click on audience from the left hand side, and here we want to go to the audience dashboard. So from this dashboard we want to click on this drop down menu and go to view audiences at the very bottom. So here it will take us to all of our audiences, and if you have a free account you will need to use a premium one, but I'm going to delete this audience and I'm gonna show you how you can create a new one, so just bear with me. Okay, I've deleted it. Now I can create an audience here by pressing on this button, and the process is gonna look like this. So it is going to be like the very first time. So audience name, I will do net help, default from email address. This is the address people will reply to, so I'm going to do this email address. Default form name, I'm going to do net. This is who your emails will come from. Use something they will instantly recognize. Campaign URL, remind people to sign up for yours. Why the recipient joined this. Okay, I'm going to leave this as it is. And notifications, and I'm just going to click on save here. I won't play around with the other settings. And enter a value. So remind people why they signed up to your audience. You want it to keep up with my content. As an example here. Let's see if this works now if we click on save. Please try again later. Well, that's how you do it. It should be able to save it for you, but it's just having some internal issues. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.